Good morning, everyone. This is Sai Prakash. Hello, everyone. This is Ramkishore, studying in fourth class. I want to tell experiment aim to show that the line water turn milky. Material to test tubes, line powder, water, baking soda, vinegar, a tube. Producer, take a test tube, add baking soda. Connect one test tube to other test tube by using a wire. Prepare lime water in another test tube and pour some vinegar to it. Now the gas allows into first test tube. While that gas enters into another test tube, the lime water turns into milky due to gas called carbon dioxide. Conclusion. Hence, we concluded that the lime water turns milky due to gas called carbon dioxide. Thank you, everyone.